Okay, this video is going to explain to you how to set up a developer org in Salesforce. You'll go ahead and do this, which will enable you to work with the Trailhead modules in an actual Salesforce environment. So let's get started. Up here, I've highlighted the URL you need to go to, and what I'll do is I'll put that in an email. But you can see what that is right here. And otherwise, you can just type in a search on Google for Salesforce a developer account. It'll take you to the same page. So let's put in my contact information, your email address. Role doesn't really matter. You can choose anything you want. Company, and just say Acme Company. Postal code, use your postal code. Now this part here is very important. The username, whatever username you choose, does not have to be an actual email address, but your username does have to be in the form of an email. So I can pretty much choose anything I want here, as long as it doesn't duplicate any other username in the system. So I suggest maybe using your first dot last name and then make up some other name, like your company. Let's for this example, let's say the Acme Company. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, it says your username must be in the form of an email address, but does not have to be a real email address. So I'll use my first and last name at the Acme Anvil Company.com. There we go. Make sure you remember that, because it's going to be necessary for you to sign into your account with. And okay, once we get that done, just check off confirmation registration. You'll see a little drop down pop up, say it's loading, validating sign up, almost there. What'll happen then is, please check your email to confirm your account. So we'll go to my email account. Go to updates. And there we go. It's my Salesforce verify your account. So you'll get an email, looks like this, and it'll ask you to verify your account. Again, here's your username. So hit the verify account button. Then it'll ask you to make up a password. So for this, I'm going to use that as password. That'll work fine. And what city were you born in? Up here you can choose any security question. I'll say just in case you forget your password and you have to create a new one, it's going to ask you what city were you born in. Let's change the password. And there you go. You're in. Probably a good idea to take a spin through this if you're not familiar with Salesforce on a more intimate basis. You can dismiss it if not. And then for trailhead exercises, you go up here to the question mark, click on that, and scroll on down here, go to trailhead, and that will take you to trailhead. And there you go. You're in trailhead. So from there, you can type in, how do I create a record? So let's say, or let's just say beginners. And you'll come up with Salesforce Beginner, for instance. So if I click on Beginner, it's going to bring up all the Trailhead modules relative to Salesforce Basics, which is a great place to start. And that is pretty much how you do it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. And what I'll do is I'll post this in a content folder on our Salesforce site, so you can so you can get into it. I'll send you a link, and then you'll be able to access this video. So thanks for your time. Bye-bye.